Yo, what's up, guys? So,
Hey, do me a favor.
what?
Oh, never mind. What you doing?
Recording. Quick video. Um, so I'm outside, and surprised we haven't gotten a high wind warning. There's like big gusts, like probably 30 mile an hour.
You know it's Blueberry Rain, right?
Tonight.
That's okay.
Chase. It's Bill. Yeah, it's pretty windy. Just like 5 minutes ago, 6 minutes ago, whatever. We got a really big gust of wind. So surprised the power isn't out because nighttime power isn't the greatest, best. So, but oh, it's calm now. Not for long because I hear it. I got my radio out here to monitor the weather.
Lows in the lower 40s. Becoming partly cloudy. It was 55 at South Bend, 67 at Fort Wayne, and 67 at Lafayette. Terre Haute reported 66, Bloomington reported 69, and Evansville reported...
I can reach that station. It's in Ohio, I think, but like it's like Richmond area or something. It's just okay. So I'm gonna figure out why this alarm isn't working on this radio. Should have worked, but okay.
At St. Louis.
It's good. But yeah, I am going to, excuse me. But yeah, I'm gonna, end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.